This morning, we continue our coverage of the avian influenza outbreak. Nationwide, bird flu has infected more than 33 million chickens and turkeys. That's according to the USDA. The outbreak is sparking an uproar from a group of people about the treatment of poultry after and even before being infected with this virus. KIMT News 3's Alex Dieter joins us live now with what this group is calling for. Alex, good morning.
Good morning, Annalise. Protesters have interrupted 3 of the last 5 Timberwolves basketball games. And the reasoning for this is that the protesters don't agree with how the owner of the Timberwolves allegedly dealt with an avian flu outbreak at one of his Northwest chicken farms. Amy Leenan is with the Animal Rights Coalition in Minneapolis and is a caregiver for 6 chickens herself. She says increased biosecurity, heightened quarantine, and keeping the chickens' areas clean are ways to prevent birds from getting infected by the virus. But she says she believes these situations would not exist if animals were not kept in farms and used for food to begin with.
So often we talk about whether it's working for us, but we also need to include the animals in that conversation. Is it working for them? And because I care for chickens, I often hear people say, "Oh, it's just chickens. They're just chickens. Why are you so worried?" Or but I think that's in itself problematic. Like that we're leaving them out of the equation.
And here in Minnesota, the Minnesota Board of Animal Health reported that about 3 million chickens here have been infected by the flu. Live in Rochester, Alex Dieter, KIMT News 3.
Thanks, Alex. This current strain of bird flu is highly contagious. Infected birds often stop eating and drinking and can develop seizures and other symptoms. If one bird has the virus, federal and state guidelines require the entire flock to be euthanized. According to the USDA, commercial birds are euthanized with carbon dioxide. In accordance with U.S. Environmental Protection Agency and other federal requirements, composting the dead birds is a common disposal measure.